What is nickel battery? Nickel metal hydride battery is a type of rechargeable battery commonly used in many laptop computers as well in mobile phones, camcorders, and other electronic devices. The negative electrode of NiMH battery is made from a hydrogen-absorbing alloy and sometimes many different intermetallic compounds. How do nickel battery functions? A nickel metal hydride battery system is an energy storage system based on electrochemical charge or discharge reactions that occur between a positive electrode cathode that contains nickel oxide hydroxide as the active material and a negative electrode anode that is composed of a hydrogen absorbing alloy. How do electricity travel through the nickel battery? Based on the illustration, the battery separates two chemicals, blue and purple. Electrons wants to flow from blue to purple, but can't because there's a wall. Instead, the electrons flow through the wire from one to another, lighting the bulb as they go. Essential parts of the nickel battery: electrolyte, anode, and cathode. What is anode and cathode? Anode is a negative or reducing electrode that releases electrons to the external circuit and oxidizes during the electrochemical reaction. The cathode is a positive or oxidizing electrode that acquires electrons from the external circuit and is reduced during the electrochemical reaction. Two types of nickel battery. There are two main differences between the two. The NiMH battery offers a capacity that is almost twice that of the NiCd. This means longer runtime without additional weight. NiMH batteries are less prone to develop a memory effect. In addition, NiMH batteries are environmentally friendlier than the NiCd since they do not contain heavy metals. Nickel-cadmium NiCd battery. It consists of cadmium anode and a metal grid containing a paste of NiO2 acting as a cathode. The electrolyte in a cell is COH. When the NiCd battery operates at the anode, cadmium is oxidized to cadmium ions and insoluble cadmium hydroxide is formed. It produces about 1.4 voltage. The reactions involved in nickel-cadmium battery are at anode, at cathode, and overall reaction. The advantages of nickel-cadmium NiCd battery: fast and simple charge, good load performance, smaller and lighter, long life than lead storage cell. It can package in a sealed container. The disadvantages of nickel-cadmium battery: more expensive than lead battery, relatively low energy density, environmentally unfriendly. Nickel hydride battery: it is a relatively soft metallic material that can dissolve only a very small concentration of hydrogen, no more than 0.002% by weight, at 1455 degrees Celsius or 2651 degrees Fahrenheit, and only 0.00005% at 25 degrees Celsius or 77 degrees Fahrenheit. When a nickel hydride cell is discharged, the chemical reactions are the reverse of what occurs when charged. Hydrogen stored in the metal alloy of a negative electrode is released into the electrolyte to form water. Then this water releases a hydrogen ion that is absorbed into the positive electrode to form nickel hydroxide. Discharge electrochemical reaction. During discharge, hydrogen moves from the negative electrode MH to the positive electrode NiOOH. The positive electrode becomes NiOH2. Charge chemical reaction. During charge, hydrogen moves from the positive electrode NiOH2 to the negative electrode M. The negative electrode becomes MH. Electrochemical reaction is simpler than those of lead-acid batteries, which uses dissolution and precipitation process of heavy metal. In principle, the electrochemical reaction is everlasting as long as the electrodes do not change. Distinct advantages of today's NIMH batteries: less prone to memory than the NICAD, periodic exercises cycles need to be done less often, fewer toxic metals. The NIMH is currently labeled environmentally friendly. The main drawbacks of nickel metal hydride batteries are their high cost, strong self-rate, and fact that they produce a large amount of heat at extreme temperature. Hybrid electric cars, but instead of rechargeable electric vehicles, often utilize these batteries because of the challenges they provide. Must these batteries be recycled when they are no longer working? Yes, NIMH and NICD batteries must be recycled properly.